It used to be that only a very few specialized software companies cared at all about developers, and usually because they were selling programming tools or platforms. Now every company needs to be connected and to work interactively with their clients, their partners, their suppliers, and their customers, and to do that, they publish APIs. And if you publish APIs, even if it's just for your partners, you've got a platform. And if you have a platform, you need developers to adopt it. Today, everything is becoming connected. Opening your APIs to the public is the way to build strong and competitive relationships with your customers as well as your suppliers. And when you recruit outside developers, help them to learn and use your APIs and build a community of them. Then you open your platform up to innovative ideas that might never have occurred to your company internally. Who needs a developer program? Every company that wants to extend their reach, expand their brand, and compete in a connected world. It used to be that only technology companies cared about recruiting developers and cultivating a robust community. Now companies in all industries have developer programs. Sometimes companies that are new to software development have a hard time understanding the value of having a defined developer relations program and the overhead associated with it. A program needs at minimum some dedicated employees, a website or portal on the corporate website, and enough budget to do some research. That means there's going to be an expense, and you may need to justify that expense. Once you've determined to create that developer program, you need to think carefully about the various elements of the program and your budget. You'll need to figure out if you have multiple tiers, some with more features than others, maybe some free and some paid. You'll need to prioritize the program elements, sorting them into must-haves and nice-to-haves. When you've got the basic elements of your program in place, you need to consider developer outreach. Good outreach that is effective is also targeted. For that reason, you need to define the specific developers that fit best with your technology, then create personas that are based on research. Happily, there's a lot of research at Evans Data, and we can help with that. Defining personas for developers involves applying segmentation. Here's a solid group of variables for that which we will call by the acronym STARS. You'll see just how these segment elements go into defining personas in Module 4. Well-defined developer personas aid in recruiting developers to your community, but you still need to apply marketing methods to reach them. We have 15 years of experience charting developer marketing methods and can tell you what is popular today and what isn't the same as what it was in the past. Software development is a global activity, and you need to realize that your program will be global as well. You may not get many Chinese if you don't have a Chinese translated website, but there will be some. And even if you only have an English language site, you'll still have developer visitors from the US, Canada, the UK, India, Australia, and quite a lot of non-English speaking countries. You need to benchmark your program regularly against the competition in order to know how and where to improve your program, and also to show management that the things you've been doing are working. We provide competitive benchmarking to some of the largest programs in the industry with drill down into 20 different program elements. We can show you just how you're doing, where your program could improve, and we can even show you what your competitors are doing right or wrong. By the time you've completed all the Evans Data Developer Relations Program certification courses, you will be well equipped to start, enhance, and manage an effective developer relations program. You will receive certification from Evans Data, which will add to your career potential, and you'll be listed in a special directory of developer relations graduates so that companies who are looking for developer program pros can find you.